Hello everyone. Bonjour. Namaste. Children, you must be thinking, what am I talking about? You guessed it right. I am talking about different languages. So today we are going to study about country flags, different languages and festivals of the world. So let's begin. Country flags. Flags show that we belong to community, organization or nation and that we share beliefs, goals, rules and regulations. All cultures use certain symbols which are meaningful to them. Some of the symbols are even universal, that is, they have the same meaning all over the world. Children, we can see different flags of different countries in this picture. There are so many flags having different symbols. Now let's study about different symbols. We are going to study about few of the important symbols. Sun. The circle of the sun symbolizes unity and energy. Moon. In combination with the star, the moon represents divinity and especially the Islam. Stars. Constellation of stars often represent energy, especially when depicting the night sky or star constellation. Cross. In ancient times, the cross only symbolized the compass. However, the cross was also taken as a symbol of faith. Square. Four even lengths of the square symbolize balance and equal opposites. Most flags contain primary colors which are red, blue, green and some countries also use the yellow gold or secondary colors. Gold is also used in many flags as the color is associated with the sun and is considered as color of kings. Children, in this picture, we all can see different symbols of different countries. As we talked about sun, moon, cross, we all can see these symbols in the picture. Now, the next topic is festivals of the world. We all love festivals. Festivals are celebrated across the world. Some festivals of different countries are La Tomatina. This festival is celebrated on Wednesday towards the end of August in the town of Spain. Thousands of participants come from all over the world to fight in a harmless battle where people throw tomatoes on each other purely for fun. Children, we all can see in this picture, everyone is enjoying and they all are throwing tomatoes on each other. The next one is Diwali. Diwali is celebrated in many countries, mainly in India. The celebration of Diwali marks the return of Lord Ram to Ayodhya after 14 years of exile. Children, we all can see this beautiful picture of diyas. Next is Lantern Festival. This is a Chinese festival celebrated on the 15th day of the first month in the Chinese calendar. It marks the final day of the traditional Chinese New Year celebration. People send thousands of lanterns into the sky to celebrate New Year celebrations. Children, we all can see this beautiful picture of lanterns. Now the last festival is Halloween. Halloween is celebrated annually on October 31st. It is celebrated in many countries like Canada, Ireland and USA. On this day, children wear masks and clothes to scare others. We are going to see it in the picture. See children, these children are wearing masks and clothes to scare others. So this was all about festivals of the world. Now we'll be doing the languages. Language is an important part of a country's culture and history. Today, there are many languages spoken around the world. Some important languages and their countries where they are spoken are as follows. Russian is spoken in Russia, Hindi in India, French in France, Korean in Korea, Turkish in Turkey, Spanish in Spain, German in Germany, and English in United Kingdom. And children, I would like to tell you one thing. For the astronauts going to the International Space Station, that is ISS, it is mandatory to know Russian. Thank you. Children, so this was all about country flags, different languages and festivals of the world. I hope you enjoyed the class. Now please go through this video, study and practice the questions. Thank you. Bye.